Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming permissions and tooling, sign into Azure Portal, or run as login in Azure CLI. Create a storage account now, pick a unique name, choose region and replication. Once done, select Storage V2, General Purpose V2, and set performance to standard unless you need premium. Make sure to enable secure transfer and choose access tier. These choices affect cost and latency, so balance performance versus budget before proceeding to table creation. Now you create the table. In Portal, open the storage account, pick Tables, and click Add to enter a table name. With CLI use as storage table, create name. Think about partition key and row key design here. They drive scalability and query patterns, so plan for hot partitions. Next, configure authentication. Prefer Azure AD for security or create a shared access signature for limited permissions. Once created, inspect properties and plan your client SDK usage to read and write data. Finish by testing basic operations. Insert, query, update, delete using Storage Explorer or your SDK. Verify partition key behavior. Once tests pass, enable metrics and diagnostics to monitor throughput and latency. Make sure lifecycle policies or retention settings are applied if needed. If you hit issues, check network rules, firewall exceptions, cores, and whether your token scopes or SAS permissions are correct. If performance is slow, reevaluate partition key design and replication tier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.